to Dara, but the relationship is done. Let me go. Let me go. You can shout, you can walk off on me, but especially when I ask you not to because you're angry at me. Because you're angry at me. Are we not adults? Can we not talk to each other like adults? Fuck that shit. I don't give a shit no more. Move away from me.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Nigeria News and Entertainment. Neo and V finally break up. Neo and V have formed the habit of fighting every weekend. This week seems more serious. Just when we thought offered to make food for the housemate, and when he saw his girlfriend taking out her braids, he then asked her to wait so he can help her, and she refused, saying she could handle it. Neo also asked her if she was interested in taking food, and V said that she's not sure if she wanted to eat or not. Neo walked off after that. Food was ready and it was time to eat. Neo sat full-time. V told Neo that he was too emotional and liked to create a scene whenever they had a minor issue. She implied that he was childish and manipulative, and she was done with it. When Neo kept on talking back at her, she asked him to do what he wants but not come begging later. Obviously upset at what V said, he told Erica to take her things. He told V, to take her things and get out of his bed, which they have been sharing for a week. He also said, "I am fucking done with you, V. Get out, I'm done with you." Could the tension of a possible eviction be the cause of this clash? Please let me know your thoughts and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.